Hi, today I'm gonna start making my feelings journal using Thara's journal stickers. Okay, let's see which sticker can describe my feelings today. Well, I think this happy stickers. But first, I want to split this page into half. I think half page is enough for today. Okay, let's start to stick the stickers. Wow! It's so cute, don't you think so? Okay, now what else? Lit. Yes, because I am so lit today. Okay, then, how about this study stickers? Nice! Now I'm writing down my feelings. Can you read it?
Yes!
I am excited. I'm gonna bold it because this feeling is strong for right now. I also add super because I am super excited. Let's add a bubble speech. Oh wait, I need to check if the marker through the next page.
Yay!
It's safe! Okay, now let's write some details. What makes me super excited today? I think I'm gonna add few hearts to fill the blank page and color it with markers to make it cute. I'll try to use pastel to color the bubble. And yup, staining my finger. You can use whatever coloring tools you have. Now I'm using my coloring pencil to make borders. And also you can use it for highlight your writing. Add some details.
And
it's done! So, today's feeling is super excited because Tara have a new sticker collections. Look at this super cute bunny pen. This is Thara, she's lit, right? And I'm so excited to start writing this feelings journal because it is my first book. Super excited! Thank you for watching this video.